Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a group in Telegram. Creating a group allows you to communicate with multiple people in one place, share messages, photos, videos, files, and collaborate easily with friends, family, classmates, or coworkers. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Telegram app on your device. Once Telegram opens, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. A navigation menu will appear on the left side of the screen. From the available options, click on New Group. You will now be asked to set up your group. Enter a name for your group in the Group Name field. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the group. If you would like to add a group photo, tap the camera icon and select an image from your gallery or take a new picture using your camera. Once you have entered the group name and added an optional profile picture, click Next. Telegram will now display your contact list. Choose the people you want to add to the group by tapping on their names. You can select one or multiple contacts depending on your needs. After selecting the members, tap the Create button. Telegram will create the group and automatically open the group chat window. You can now start sending messages to all group members. Type a message in the text box at the bottom of the screen and tap the Send button. To manage your group settings, tap the group name at the top of the chat screen. Here, you can view members, add more participants, change the group photo, update the group name, and access additional settings. If you want to invite more people later, tap on Add Members and select contacts from your list. You can also share an invite link if the group settings allow it. That is how to create a group on Telegram. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video.